Well, the daylight's fading pretty quickly, but it's a nice winter walk down here. We haven't had much of a winter, but there's some ice forming on the creek, which is interesting to look at. Haven't seen any deers, but we'll walk down to the lake from here and see how many more ice formations. The water sounds very nice echoing through these little ice formations, so I'll be silent until I sign off. This is a bit like the epilogue on Sunday morning. We'll pretend it's Sunday morning with, what's his name? Our Sunday morning moment is along Porter Creek in Bay Village, Ohio, in Huntington Park.